Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create user-generated content style AI videos. We are going to use the CapCut application and it's going to be pretty easy. I'm going to show you step by step. So basically you just have to open your CapCut project and tap on text. Then tap on add text on the bottom left corner of the screen and type in the text that you would like your video to be saying. Then you just have to tap on the text box that you just created and select AI avatars, which is going to be on the bottom of the screen right here in the middle. When you open up this menu, you can select between multiple styles of AI generated videos, but now we are looking for the user generated content style videos that are here, and there is a huge list of different styles and types that you can choose from, and I would say some of these truly look pretty natural. And yeah, if this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.